spreading her butthole ashes.
I knew that was gonna get some of you. Direct, because every other country that's not the U.S. is rude as shit. All that being said, I'm proud.
Road going up there. Ugh, I can't look. Good. So cool. Whee.
I don't think you're courting.
I don't think you're courting.
So yeah, I think we go with the press release.
Let's just do the written one.
Here's what I have from the press release. Hey guys, so sorry the last gift.
So you can do this as a gag gift. You can do this as
Better, I can tell you much about it.
It's a great film. It's a great film. Do you think that was the one that kind of really like?
You can't go anywhere. You can't leave. Tell him.